can't believe it, you guys. 400,000 followers on my Facebook. Ano ba? Rar. Nang-aano kayo? I'm currently on set. Hindi po ako buntis. In case you guys are wondering, bakit ang laki ng tiyan ito? May kabag ba to? Hindi po. I love being a part of the Darman fam. Here to represent the Philippines. Mabuhay. Many of you have come to know me because of my Darman videos where I usually play the gold digger or the villain or the Karen, but I've also played some protagonist roles, and thank you so much for supporting any character that I have. If I piss you off, just know that I'm doing it professionally. I don't mean to. I'm sorry to give you guys like high blood, diba? Huwag kayo masyadong magalit sa akin kasi hindi ko naman sinasadya. Nagtatrabaho lang ako kasi ano gagawin ko kung hindi ako nagtrabaho? Hindi ako cute, hindi ako mag-rar, tapos hindi masipag. L. Thank you all so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for your support and for always watching Darman videos. Some of you get really mad at me. I'm sorry. I'm just here to work, okay? I'm here to professionally piss you off. Some of you call me the pambansang gold digger. Okay lang, ayos lang yun. In-embrace ko na lang. Nang-aano lang ako kasi kailangan ko magtrabaho. Pag hindi ako nagtrabaho, edi tamad ako, and that's not rar. I will always be here to love you and inspire you in whatever work I do, whether that be acting, content creation, or singing. So thank you guys so much. Akala ko kasi madaming nang galit sa akin, tapos you actually believe that na ganun ako in real life. And also for those of you wondering, arguing in the comments, Pinoy po ako. Ang mami ko po ay Batangganya, ang daddy ko po ay Ilocano. So I'm very Pinay. Okay? Sinasabi ko lang na Pinoy ako minsan kasi I'm in my masculine era. Kasi lagi ako nagtatrabaho. Lagi akong puyat kaya yung mata ko lagi na lang mapula. Here. I'm excited to meet you guys. One day I will visit Philippines again. I've been visiting every few years. It's just lately I've been really busy with work. So I haven't gone home, but I do plan to come back home. But rar. Sakay na? Pero wag niyo akong sasakyan. Okay? Right. Nagawa na rin po ako ng ibang accounts. So, meron akong YouTube at saka TikTok. Pero, pinapalaki ko pa. Kaya, lahat tayo, palakihin natin siya. Halos mga 900,000 followers na po. Sige, palakihin natin. Kasi pag malaki, masaya. Right. To celebrate, I think, mag-iisaw ako. Kasi, bawal na bumarik. You know, kasi buntis ako. Joke. Props lang yan. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas. Iniisip niyo siguro loka-loka talaga ako. Pero loka-loka naman talaga ako eh. Ano ga? One day mabubuntis din ako. Sino kayang daddy? So, pag-pray niyo lang po ako. I just want a hug. I'm gonna celebrate 450,000 followers on Facebook, 400,000 followers on my personal, and 50K on my business page. That just grew like 2 weeks ago. Literally 50,000 in 2 weeks is crazy. My personal Facebook growing from 7,000 followers to 400,000 followers since just October 2025 is insane. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Tapos! Boom! Panis!